Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the printer with the error code 41 activations error printer not activated with the error code 41. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run printer troubleshoot. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots and under dito sa options, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. Click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa most frequent ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung printer. At dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And then wait natin. And madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-follow ang step by step procedure dito. Nandito lahat yung complete information details at mga pwede natin gawin mga kaibigan. So kailangan mo lang i-follow yan. So after dito, and then, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to restart the print is folder. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. So, once na-open mo na tong services, dito lang sa services local. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung print is folder. So, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung print is folder. So, ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select and kailangan mong mag-right click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung restart. So, click mo lang yan and wait natin na ma-complete yung restart. And then after, so ang next step, so i-double click ka lang. And then dito sa kanyang properties at dito lang sa general. And then iselect mo lang dito sa startup type yung automatic. So select yan. And then dito sa baba, kailangan mo lang click dito yung apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito sa services, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to clear the reset print as folder via command prompt. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter to command keyword na to. So ilalagay ko to sa description box. So kailangan mo lang enter tong command keyword na net stop space is folder. So copy lang natin yan. Control plus C. And then ipipaste natin dito. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus B. And then press mo lang yung enter. So once na-enter mo na siya and then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter. So i-copy lang natin ito. So, copy lang yan. And then, next step ay ipipaste natin dito. So, same procedure. Gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus B. And i-press mo lang yung enter. And then, next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay copy lang natin tong net space start space spoiler. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, i-paste natin dito. So, Control plus B and press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So once nagawa mo na yung tatlong command keyword na yan, and then next step ay close lang natin yan at dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix printer not activated with the error code 41. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.